Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out recipes on the BodyFast intermittent fasting application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on the recipes button down below, which is the fourth option. And here you can see recipe categories such as breakfast, main dishes, soups and salads, desserts, snacks and favorites. So click on the relevant category that you want to check out. As you scroll down, you can see that most of them are logged, meaning that they are only available to premium users. So these are exclusive features that you need to purchase first of all in order to unlock them. But at the top of the page you can also find a recipe that is available to all users. So here you can see the serving, then the ingredients, the preparation and food facts about the main ingredients. And if you want to add it to your favorites, click on the heart icon next to the meal's title, so it will be added to your favorites, and thereby you can find it easier. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.